Ladies and gentlemen, under the direction of Dr. Joni Stahl, assisted by Melanie Jackson, Jessica Stark, and auxiliary advisors Courtney Spellman and Vicki Beck, we are proud to present the 2014 Southeast Pirate Marching Band! This evening's show is a tribute to one of the most successful musicals of all time. Set in the 1950s, Grease is a musical about love, friendship, and teenage rebellion. We begin our show with a musical number that features our systematic, hydromatic, ultramatic dance line as the band is burning up that quarter mile with Grease Lightning.